Are you free today?
Yes, I have some free time.
Can we talk for a moment?
Sure, what's the matter?
I am sorry I was late.
Don't worry, it's okay.
Is everyone here nearby?
No, only a few people are here.
I am very tired. I need rest.
You can rest here, it's comfortable.
Can you help me with this?
Of course, no problem.
I don't speak English fluently.
That's okay, take your time.
Please repeat that again.
Sure, I will say it slowly.
I didn't understand that word.
Let me explain it to you.
What does this mean?
It means something very simple.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That sounds good.
Yes, I think so too.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, see you then.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you, you too.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
At home and daily routine. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I need to cook dinner.
Okay, I can help you.
Can you clean the room?
Yes, I will do it now.
Where is my phone?
It's on the table.
I am feeling sleepy.
Then you should go to bed.
Let's have breakfast.
Sure, I'm hungry too.
Can you open the window?
Yes, it's very warm inside.
I need a glass of water.
Of course, I'll get it now.
Please turn off the light.
Okay, done.
What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie.
I have to do my homework.
Yes, you should finish it.
The house is very quiet today.
Yes, everyone is outside.
I lost my keys.
Check your bag or pocket.
Can you make some tea?
Sure, I'll make it.
I need to take a shower.
Okay, take your time.
Let's go for a walk.
That's a good idea.
I am bored at home.
Let's do something fun.
Dinner's ready?
Great, I'm coming.
Please don't make noise.
Sorry, I will be quiet.
It's time to sleep.
Yes, good night.
Outside daily use. Excuse me, where is the shop?
It's near the corner.
How much is this?
It's 200 rupees.
Do you have this in another color?
Yes, we have blue and black.
I want to buy this.
Okay, please come to the counter.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payment is available.
This is too expensive.
I can give you a discount.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the trial room is there.
I'm just looking.
No problem, take your time.
Where is the bus stop?
It's across the road.
I need a taxi.
Okay, I will call one for you.
What time does the store open?
It opens at 10 a.m.
I want a bottle of water.
Sure, here it is.
Can you help me carry this bag?
Yes, of course.
I think I'm lost.
Don't worry, I will guide you.
Is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Please give me the bill.
Sure, here's your bill.
Can I return this item?
Yes, within 7 days.
I need some medicine.
The pharmacy is nearby.
What is the best price?
This is the final price.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Office greetings and daily talk. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. How are you?
Hello, welcome to the Best English.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
How was your weekend?
It was good, thank you.
Did you reach the office on time?
Yes, I came early today.
Are you busy right now?
A little, but I can talk.
Can we meet for a minute?
Sure, let's meet now.
How is your work going?
It's going well.
I have a lot of work today.
Yes, it's a busy day.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please help me with this.
Let's start the meeting.
Okay, everyone is ready.
What are you working on?
I'm working on a report.
I am new here.
Welcome, let's practice English.
Please repeat after me.
Sure, I'm repeating.
Where is your notebook?
It's in my hand.
Where is your desk?
My desk is near the window.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Have you finished your task?
Not yet, I'm still doing it.
Let's take a short break.
Yes, that sounds good.
See you after lunch.
Sure, see you later.
Have a good day at work.
Thank you, you too.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, take care.
Office work and tasks. Can you send me the file?
Yes, I will send it now.
Please check this email.
Okay, I'll check it.
I need to complete this today.
Yes, it is important.
Can you explain this task?
Sure, I will explain it.
I have a question about the project.
Okay, ask me.
Let's work together on this.
Yes, that will be easier.
Please update the document.
Okay, I will do it.
The deadline is tomorrow.
Yes, we must finish soon.
I made a small mistake.
It's okay, you can fix it.
Can you review my work?
Sure, I will check it.
I am working on the presentation.
Great, let me know if you need help.
Please print this page.
Okay, I'll print it.
The computer is not working.
Try restarting it.
The internet is very slow today.
Yes, it is frustrating.
Can we schedule a meeting?
Yes, what time is good?
I will finish it in 1 hour.
Okay, take your time.
Please share the details with me.
Sure, I will share them.
This task is very urgent.
Okay, I'll do it first.
Let's discuss this later.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you for your support.
You're welcome.